Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add product options on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load, and once here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So before we go to edit site, first of all, go to catalog and then click on product. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the products that you have. And if you want to add a new product, just click on new products, then choose if you want to add a physical or digital product. For example, I'm going to click on physical products, and then you need to fill all of these informations about the product, and then just save your changes and it will be added here to the list. Once you do that, you can go to design site or edit site here in the bottom, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. Once you're here, just wait for the page to load. This is going to be basically the editor for Wix. So once you're here, if you want to go to the products page, all you need to do guys is click on pages and menu, and then click on store pages. And then as you can see guys from here, you can go to your product page right here. As you can see guys, you can see your product. If you click right here on these three dots, you're going to find the option to quick edit. You can edit your products page. You can also click on manage products, and then you're going to be taken to your product page right here if you want to add other products or remove some products. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.